Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about annotations. If we go inside audience and if we click on overview, so here is an arrow. So if I click on this arrow, so this panel opens and here you can see an option to create a new annotations. So let's click on this and now we need to select a particular date. Okay, so I'll select 8th May. So I'm in the date range between 1st May to 16th May. You can select whatever date you want, but this is for an demo purpose. So I've selected 1st May to 16th May. So before we create an annotation, I want to show you that on 7th May, we were having 4 users and on 8th May, it has gone to 8 users. So it is almost double. So why we had an increase in users? Maybe we have done some activity. Maybe we have run an ad on that particular day, a remarketing ad. That could be a reason of increase in traffic. Or maybe we have posted a new blog on the website. This could be a reason. So we don't remember all these activities, what we have done to get an increase in traffic. So for that reason, we can add a small note here. Okay. So we can select the date, which I have already selected, and I will write remarketing ad hyphen traffic increase. And here you can see we can share with other people who have access of this Google Analytics account, or we can select private if we don't want to share it. Okay. And then we need to click on save. So here you can see there's a label of private and this note is been added for this particular date. So let's close this panel. And whenever you see the stat, you can find this note by clicking this small icon here. Okay, on 8th May, you can see a small icon here, and if you click on this, so you can see the note. So in this way, you can add notes on any particular day you want, so that you can remember what activity you have done. So it is a kind of small note which will make you remember of the activities. But there are few limitations, like if you export the data from here, if you export the data, so you will not find the annotation in that data. Okay. And the second limitation is that it is only applicable for the selected date and it is not applicable for the weeks and months. So if I click on week, and if you click on this arrow and if you click on this notation, so here you can select only date, and I don't think so you can select a week. Okay, so we are not able to select the week, and even for month we are not able to select the month. If I from April to May, if I apply the date range, so here you can see we cannot create a notation for month. Okay, it is only showing date. So that is a second drawback, but that is fine. But overall, this is very handy. If you are running an ad campaign or email campaign, so you will able to know the increase on traffic on that particular day for your website. So I hope you understood the concept of annotations, and this is it for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.